So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can connect NinjaTrader to TradingView. So step number one will be to head over to NinjaTrader or a prop firm that is using NinjaTrader to trade. Now, what we can do then is we can head over to our TradingView. We then need to go to trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. And then once we select trading panel, you can then search for NinjaTrader. You will then want to click on this. In this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my TradingView account, but it's the exact same process. What you will then need to do is choose a live account if you're trading directly on NinjaTrader. If you are trading a prop firm, you'll need to make sure that you select demo. What you then need to do is enter in your NinjaTrader username into this box, and then you will then need to also enter in your password. Once we have entered our username and password for NinjaTrader from NinjaTrader or also the prop firm that we are trading, you will then be able to click on connect. Once we select connect, you will then be connected, and obviously mine says TradingView, but if you are using NinjaTrader, it will then say NinjaTrader on the left hand side here if you have done this correctly, and then you will then be able to start trading just like so. So you can put your stop loss, you can put your take profit, you can then click on buy or sell, and then that's how simple it is to connect NinjaTrader to TradingView.